What if we told you that one of the most common foods in your fridge could be silently ruining your erections? In this video, you'll discover why hot dogs and other processed meats are major culprits behind erectile dysfunction, and what you can do starting today to reverse it naturally. Stick around to the end for a downloadable guide and a powerful supplement designed to support male performance naturally. Hot dogs may seem harmless, but beneath the grill marks lies a dangerous truth. These processed meats are packed with sodium nitrates, saturated fats, and preservatives, all known to damage blood vessels and reduce testosterone production. Poor blood circulation equals weak erections. And that's not a theory, it's science. Studies show men who consume high amounts of processed meats are more likely to suffer from ED, reduced libido, and low sperm count. A strong erection depends on unrestricted blood flow. When you eat foods that clog your arteries, like hot dogs, you also restrict blood to the corpora cavernosa, the sponge-like tissue in the penis responsible for erection. Add in hormonal disruption from artificial additives and you're left with poor performance, frustration, and low confidence. It's not just your heart at risk. It's your manhood. The good news? You can fight back, naturally. Replace processed meats with foods that boost nitric oxide, spinach, arugula, beets. Support testosterone, eggs, avocados, pumpkin seeds. Improve overall circulation, berries, pomegranates, garlic. These foods not only support erections, they build energy, stamina, and performance over time. Want to boost performance and confidence naturally? Try Member XXL, a top-rated male enhancement supplement made with safe herbal ingredients. Supports stronger, longer-lasting erections. Increases libido and vitality. No prescription needed. Check the link in description. Want a simple, affordable way to get started? Download our exclusive $1 ebook. Sexual Vitality Blueprint, Natural Foods and Habits for Stronger Erections. Inside, you'll find the top 10 erection-boosting foods, daily meal plan for men's sexual health, bonus tips on stress, sleep, and exercise. Get it now for just $1. The link is in the description. The link between food and function is real. By cutting out processed meats like hot dogs and fueling your body with the right nutrients, you can reclaim your performance, confidence, and vitality. Take control today, your body and your partner will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more men's health videos.